In manufacturing, precision meets productivity. In this module, we're going to examine how AI drives smarter factories, resilient supply chains, predictive maintenance, and quality assurance, supported by technology like Microsoft Fabric, Azure AI services, and IoT-powered insights. In manufacturing, AI isn't just about efficiency, we have to have balance. So, on the goals side, companies are looking to bridge the gap between people and technology. With an aging workforce and rising skill gaps, AI can help capture institutional knowledge and automate repetitive or hazardous tasks and enhance worker capabilities on the floor. Safety is, of course, a key focus always. AI-powered monitoring systems can predict and prevent workplace incidents, helping keep employees out of harm's way. Manufacturers also want to simplify operations and turn data into value. So that's where optimizing workflows, reducing energy use, or improving supply chain decisions can be impactful. AI can help coordinate everything from design to delivery and even ensure compliance with strict environmental regulations. But of course, there are some pretty big challenges. Data in manufacturing is often fragmented or stored in unique formats, CAD files, paper contracts, and legacy systems that AI can't easily read. Many companies also face restrictive data policies, outdated infrastructure, and a shortage of the tools that are needed to actually extract those insights. On top of that, economic pressures like inflation and tighter margins make it harder to invest in AI. And for many smaller customers, technology adoption is still a steep climb. The opportunity is clear, but realizing it means addressing both the technical and human sides of transformation. Document intelligence. AI can act as a true research and design partner. Copilot assistants help engineers navigate technical reports, summarize market research, and even generate new IP documentation. So this helps to free the teams to focus more on innovation. These exact same tools can pinpoint the root cause of production issues, preserve critical expertise by turning best practices into entire training guides for the next generation of workers. Smart factories. Oh, this is huge. AI and IoT combine to create fully connected production floors. So imagine a scenario where scheduling adjusts automatically. Documentation, it updates itself as things change. And systems are constantly looking for anomalies before they disrupt your operations. With ERP copilots and digital twins, manufacturers can simulate new workflows, compare options, and optimize performance before making costly changes on the line. Of course, we need to have a resilient supply chain. AI brings visibility across the entire network, tracking your inventory in real time, predicting demand, and even analyzing vendor contracts to reduce risk and improve the collaboration. And finally, a modern customer experience. AI helps manufacturers stay close to their customers, identify emerging needs, offering instant product support, and generating personalized marketing and sales content. So it's a faster and smarter way to meet expectations and perhaps strengthen the loyalty of your customers. Across all of these areas, AI empowers manufacturers to do more than just automate. It helps them adapt, innovate, and thrive in this constantly changing landscape. Now, to bring all of these AI scenarios to life, you of course need the right tools. And that's where Microsoft's ecosystem comes in. So with Microsoft Cloud for manufacturing, Azure provides a connected platform that supports every part of the value chain. Microsoft Fabric is at the center of that foundation. It unifies all of your data, from sensors to cameras to business systems, into one trusted environment. With Fabric, manufacturers can break down silos, apply analytics through Power BI, and connect directly to Azure Machine Learning and Azure OpenAI Service. The result is a single intelligent view of all of your operations ready for AI innovation. Then there's Azure AI Services. This gives you a library of pre-built models and APIs that can be customized for your needs. This is things like computer vision for anomaly detection, document intelligence, and these services help you scan reports, monitor quality, and process technical documentation automatically. Finally, the Azure OpenAI service. This powers copilots and generative AI assistants that are reshaping manufacturing work. It brings natural language interaction to every scenario. So this is things like summarizing reports, generating entirely new content, and delivering insights instantly. Together, these tools give manufacturers unified and secure foundations for AI, turning data into decisions and innovation into everyday impact. We'd like to share a customer story that illustrates this beautifully. The manufacturing sector collects the largest volume of data of any global industry each year, but it only uses a fraction of the industrial data collected in factories. IPG partnered with Microsoft and Sight Machine to develop a real-time, data-driven operations solution for global manufacturers to achieve breakthrough performance by continuously improving sustainability, resilience, and profitability. The solution creates a common data foundation by capturing and contextualizing data from the entire factory to deliver a system-wide view of the end-to-end manufacturing process. The addition of a generative AI copilot, powered by Microsoft Azure OpenAI, further democratizes industrial data with generative AI, making plant data, analytics, and insights even more accessible and impactful for everyone, from shop floor operators to executives. Now, Bill Borges is a plant manager for IPG. He shared this. We knew we had to do something more, something new, something novel to push the plant forward and be competitive. Sight Machine was open and transparent. It had the right human element. It also had the right technology solutions for our platform. The way that it displayed the data was very effective in connecting with our people and simplifying and really making the data available to everyone. Our partnership with Sight Machine and Microsoft is ever evolving and continues to become more important to our daily operations within the plant, helping us make quicker decisions on real-time data that's analyzed in real time. This enables our frontline leaders, right down to the production floor, to be able to make the right decision quickly. IPG partnered extensively with Sight Machine to create these solutions. Here's a quote from the co-founder and chief AI officer at Sight Machine, Kurt DeMag. Factory Copilot is a way to break down some of the barriers that have existed in the past between users and data accessibility. And so this really is targeted at folks who might have been intimidated by traditional data systems, but are perfectly comfortable asking expert user questions, which could be solved using the data now, rather than having to have lots of expert users running around the plant floor. We have our own open API-based chat client, where any person can go into this chat client, type a question using normal sort of English phrasing of a problem, and it will give them back a reply in a human-readable format. And so this really breaks down the barriers to being able to use and work with data in the manufacturing environment. Senior Vice President of Business Outcomes for Sight Machine, Sudhir Arni, summarized it like this. Sight Machine's technology can bring rapid value and scale across the manufacturing network of all the manufacturers that we get an opportunity to work with. By providing access to its manufacturing data platform that enables real-time, data-driven decision-making and operations for all these manufacturers, which is what will take them to the next level of continuous improvement across their manufacturing network. Once that data is truly usable using Sight Machine's manufacturing data platform, there are a number of different use cases and problems that the manufacturers can solve and truly start extracting value. AI helps manufacturers stay agile, efficient, and safe, bridging human expertise with intelligent automation. By integrating data across design, production, and delivery, you can unlock resilience and sustainability at scale. This concludes your Microsoft AI for Business Leaders course. You're now equipped to turn innovation into measurable impact on the factory floor and beyond. We encourage you to learn more about this course or search out your next favorite topic on Microsoft Learn at aka.ms/learn.